Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint. So yep, got this today. Bit late, but got it. Looking forward to playing it in co-op as well. So obviously, as you can see on the front is I believe he's called Nomad. So yep, with some other dude. There's the side and there's the back. Survive your breakpoint. Stranded behind enemy lines. I loved Wildlands as well. That was cool. It's Xbox One X enhanced, HDR10 video, and single player and multiplayer and co-op, which I'll be doing. So install size is up to 45 gig. Then inside we have the disc itself, a thing about how to redeem the audio pack, thing about the year one pass, and then there's a manual underneath that as well. But yes, that's it for my quick unboxing of Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.